Okay, so before we get into the video, I'm going to show you one of the tools that I was talking about in the video, and this is for $2.99. And it has a handle on it. I bought this some time ago. I just haven't used it yet. And you can just go ahead and use this as a way to help stimulate your scalp. So today, what I want to talk about is what I have done with my hair. I use this product here. I'm pretty sure we're all familiar with that product, Wild Growth Hair Oil. And then what I just did was I just made sure that I literally just massage this throughout my hair. And also what's even better is if you have one of the little massage brushes, which I'm pretty sure I have one somewhere around here, you can go ahead and do that with that. But right now, since I don't have that, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my little pick here and basically, if I can get through this, and like you can just go to certain areas and kind of go through there. And the reason why I'm using this, or I would use like a massage brush, is so that I can make sure that everything penetrates through to the scalp how it needs to. And also, it's just a very soothing. Now, also, I made sure that when I put the oil in my hair, that I pulled the oil all the way down to the ends. And after I did that, I went ahead and put on a shower cap, and then I went ahead and proceeded to go ahead and take, you know, a bathing so that that would also help penetrate the strands a little bit better, will help moisturize the strands better. So that's what I've done for today, and I'm basically ready to go out into the day. It's a hot summer day, so I wanted to let you know what was going on with that, and I will see you guys later. Bye.